Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am talking all about my hair, and if you are not familiar with my hair from before, I am naturally really dark. I'm not a blonde. I don't know if I could fool you or not, but this is not my natural color, obviously. So I have been color treating my hair for quite some time now. I decided to take a break from color treating it for about a year, and I just let my hair naturally grow out, and then I decided that I would just go blonde. It was kind of impulsive. We did it in 2 steps. So the first time around I did achieve a really blonde turnout, but I still wanted to amplify that look, so I went back and we ended up making it really pop. Naturally I have really dry, coarse, curly hair. It's like curly wavy. I wouldn't say it's like coils. It's like, because it's damaged, it's a little bit like more frizzy, and especially being in like a warmer climate with extreme humidity, my hair naturally frizzes up like this, so I have to be really diligent about the products I'm using. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to try to give you the most thorough review for each of these products as I can because I have been using them for so long. This is the shampoo I use. It's the Pravana Cleanse, the Perfect Blonde Purple Toning Shampoo, and the way I use this was actually suggested by my friend Komal. She let me know to take a huge dollop in my hand and literally work it into my dry hair. So this is before I've even gone to shower. I massage it in and I wear it like a hair mask for almost like 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how much time I have. And then when I'm in the shower, I will add some water and massage it into my scalp, give it a nice like thorough clean, and then just wash it off. Then I go in with the conditioner. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and it's really well made. It's free of a lot of like harsh chemicals, sulfates, SLS, etc. It has biotin and vitamin B5 in it. It's really nourishing for dry and damaged hair. So I use this as a leave-in treatment, but you can also use it as like a deep conditioning mask like it's intended. The way I use it is I will put the Briogeo deep conditioning mask in my hair while I'm in the shower, and I'll really massage it in, and then I'll just turn off my water and get out. Like, I don't wash it out of my hair. But the other way you can use it is adding it to your hair as like a conditioning mask, leaving it on for 10 minutes. I just find like that takes me too much time, and I already don't like doing my hair. So this is a quick way for me to just put it into my hair and then move on. My hair actually takes it really well. It doesn't get like really like slick or oily or loses its volume. I have recommended this product to so many people, and people have really enjoyed using this, and it smells really good. It's like, I don't know what it is. It just smells like really luxe. So after I've applied this as a leave-on treatment for my hair, I will actually dry my hair with a Turbie twist. So if you haven't heard of these are like hair turbans that are like, you put it around your hair and it sucks up all the water and you can like tie it in a knot. Basically, it's really handy. Obviously, I can't find my plain white neutral one, so I'm showing you this really ghetto pink one. But regardless, so I take the Turbie twist. I will really let it soak up all that excess water before I go in with any extra products. So once I'm ready to take the turban twist out of my hair, I go in with these 2 products, and these are both from IGK. It actually comes in like a combo. So this is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. These names are really cute. And then this one is called the Mixed Feelings Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops. So what I do is I take about 4 to 5 drops of this. I know there's like different levels you can take, but I just take 5 drops because my hair will go orange if I don't take care of it. So I take about 5 drops of this and mix it in with about a quarter size of this, and I apply it all over my hair. So everywhere you see blonde, I'll just kind of like start from the back and move forward, really get those ends. And I think that just really adds some conditioning to my hair. I don't think it's doing anything more than just like the top layer hydration, if that makes sense. I'm not a hair expert, so if I'm doing something wrong, you can tell me in the comments below. I'm clearly just being very honest and telling you what I'm using. So then I go in with the Gisou Propolis Infused Polishing Primer, and the packaging is so cute. And basically it's a lightweight styling primer for your hair. It diminishes frizz, reduces drying time, ensures optimal working hold. So you can use this before, after, during your styling. So I use this right after I use the IGK products, and I go in with like a pea-sized amount. I don't use that much, but I think it does a really good job of diminishing some of the frizz that I need up here. And then I go in with a hair protectant. Now, I think in all of these, there is definitely some heat protection that's already implemented, but I like to just be a little bit more careful. I honestly don't know if heat protectants actually protect your hair. Like, are they doing their job? But I apply this while my hair is still wet, because if I apply this while my hair is dry, it's going to frizz just because it has moisture. Like, there's just no way for me to kind of counteract that. So I apply this while my hair is still wet and go in with a wide tooth comb and distribute the product. And I find that the smell to this is nice. Is it doing anything? I can't really tell you, but I use a heat protectant and that's the one I use. And then I style my hair. There's just so many different options to styling my hair. It just depends on what I'm doing. Once I'm done styling my hair, I go in with this. And this is the Gisou honey infused hair oil, and I love this stuff. You can apply this while your hair is wet. So sometimes I will apply this before I start styling my hair if I find my hair is really dry, or most of the times I will use this once my hair is completely styled. This is just, it's beautiful. I will actually apply some right now to show you the way it like acts. Like, I wish I could show you. It's not like a very greasy oil. It has a lot of thickness to the oil. So I take about 2 drops. 1, 2, oh, 3, I guess. I will just take that on my hands and I will work that into the ends of my hair specifically, because that's what's most dry for me. And then I will slowly just work upwards and just massage that into my hair root. And whatever's extra, I just apply to my hands because it's so nourishing. Just so you know, I actually used the hair oil just now, and it's my day 4 or 5 hair day. I was actually supposed to wash my hair today, but I thought I would just film this video so you guys can see what state my hair is in before I wash it. But regardless, I really like these 2 products. I think they look so great if you had a vanity and you wanted to display them. I think they look really like Gen Z. It's up to you whether packaging matters to you or not, but for me, I think both products, because I think that honey is incorporated, really have these hydrating and nourishing properties. The next thing is the kicker from Drybar, and this is a finishing wax spray. Now, when it comes to wax products, I'm very careful of how I use them, because you don't want it to look really greasy or oily. Like, you don't want it to look like Ross's hair. If you watch Friends, you know how like shiny his hair is and it just looks synthetic. So you don't want it to look like that. I basically will show you again. So I take the spray, you have to shake it. I take my hand and I spray it into my hand. So you can see I barely have any product, and I take it and I just lightly press my hair down. And this will really smooth out my hair and give it that sleek look without it being weighed down. And then I push my hair back a little bit to give it that volume again. I don't really lose any volume when I'm using these products, and that is something I can really appreciate, because I don't like a really sleek look on me. There's always a time and a place, but most of the days I prefer having volume. But if I'm just at home, that is a step I will skip and just finish off my routine at the hair oil. Now, for day 2 or day 3, sometimes you don't want to wash your hair so often, so you need a refresher. I actually only wash my hair once a week, whether it's every 4 to 5 days. I will try to prolong it as much as I can, and it's just something that works really well for me. Because my hair takes so long to dry, so long to style, I find that I can't really spend my time doing my hair. It's really inconvenient. So I choose to only spend time once a week doing my hair. So in order to maintain its freshness, to make it look clean, I use a dry shampoo. So previously I used to use the OUAI dry shampoo mousse, and I recently tried this product out. It is from OUAI again. It's their super dry shampoo in the scent for BYREDO Mojave Ghost. It does a great job of really catching all those oils, making your hair look really refreshed and volumized, and the scent is amazing. If you've ever smelled anything from BYREDO, you know it's iconic, especially Mojave Ghost. If you haven't had a chance to smell it, I would just go check it out. Basically, there's a lot of information here on the bottle, but the absorbing formula uses volcanic minerals and rice starch to really soak up all those extra oils. It's the best. So those are the products that I use. I hope this was super helpful. I feel like I chatted for like 45 minutes. All right, so that's it. This completes all the products that I use in my hair care routine. I know it seems like a lot. Again, I have a very specific hair type with specific goals. So you have to really check to see if a product's going to work for you or not. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Make sure you give this video a big like, share it with any of your friends that you think may require some of these tips, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.